cute little baby chihuahua puppies here. There are 5 of them. They will be 6 weeks old tomorrow. And that is the 29th of October. They all want to climb in my lap. We have all females except for one, and that's this one. And he happens to look like his mommy. He turned out blue. And looks like his ears are inside out too. Hey, little boy. Let's see your blue eyes. I think his eyes might stay blue for us. Hey, you're a cutie. Yes, you are. Yes. This one looks like her daddy. She has the little brown eyebrows and cheeks. She's a cutie. Little white tip on the tail. Hey, Binky. Binky's mommy. Yeah, Binky. Oh, this is the runt. She is the most adorable thing. I'm tempted to keep her. But we can't. Someone's going to have to come snatch her away. Hey, there you go, Binky. Have a puppy. There you are. Let's see, what else have we got here? Ah, we got you again. Yeah, where'd the other ones go? They're all playing over here with my feet. Ah, you're number 2. You were the second one born. You have little bits of white on your paws. Yes, sweetie, you're my daughter's favorite. Let's see, where is the one more? Where's the one with the more white paw? Oh, come here. This one was the first one born. And she's got whiter on her paws. You're a cutie. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. They're all eating canned dog food. Not totally weaned from mommy yet. Sometimes they nibble on dry dog food. And we are litter training them. They're learning how to go potty in kitty litter. Hey, you cuties. Binky, hello. What a good mommy dog. Yes, you are. And that's what we have. Hey, you jellies, you just want to climb on me. One way over there. Yeah.